For your future planning, works cited, you are probably going to be using some sources that are different. So this citation is going to help you use BibGuru as a way to help you with the Xello database and any other open web sources. So first thing I've done is I have started a new works cited. I put works cited centered on the page. My whole document should be double spaced. And then after the first line, I wanted to go to a left margin, and I need to create a hanging indent. So I'm going to pull my rectangle over to a the triangle over to the 1/2 inch, and I'm going to take the rectangle back over to the 0. That gives me that hanging indent that I need for my citation. So I am going to use BibGuru as a help for these citations just to get started. I can either go to bibguru.com or I can click on the BibGuru link on the library homepage. Do not sign in, please. I do not know that this is SOPA compliant, so we can just use it without signing in. So I'm going to hit Get Started Now. Make sure that this is set to MLA 9. That's the most modern. That's what we use for English classes. And I'm going to start with Xello. Even though Xello is accessed on the web, it's technically a database, but we're going to start with it as a website. So let's pretend I'm exploring options to become a pilot. I'm going to copy paste. Let's get rid of the ad. I'm going to copy paste my link. And that is not right. The title of this is not Xello, but I'm going to go ahead and add it. And now I'm going to edit this. So I'm going to leave it as website, but the title is the title of that particular page, which happened to be pilot. The website name is Xello. There's no author, no date published, but this is a database. So on add field, I'm going to choose library catalog database. I'm going to call it Xello. When you use a database, our teachers actually prefer you leave out the URL. So I'm going to hit save, and there's my first citation. I'm going to triple click this. Instead of using their copy, I'm going to triple click it and copy it, and I'm going to paste it over here to mine. Okay, again, to show you how that works. Let's say I have looked at University of Central Missouri. Again, I'm on a Xello page. I know that they have flight school. So I'm going to paste the new Xello address. Again, it's not going to come in right. So I'm going to edit it. The title of this one is University of Central Missouri. The website, is Xello. No author. I want to change the field because there is a library catalog database that we were using. And I want to get rid of the website because it's really a database online. It's technically not a website. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And I'm going to, again, I just like to triple copy this. U comes after P. So I'm going to paste that in. Now, let's pretend that I'm actually on a website about pilots. Maybe I want to go military. So here I am on the page on airplane pilots. I'm going to copy paste. I'm looking it up. It says the page is called Airplane Pilots. That is correct. Is the website Today's Military? It is called Today's Military. Technically, the .com does not have to be part of that, so I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to make it Today's Military. And I'm going to hit save. That looks prettier. Because it is a website and not actually a database subscription website, I'm going to leave the URL in there. That is accessed well. And I'm going to triple click, copy that. A comes before P. So there we go. My hanging indent. Everything's looking good so far. So again, one more time for a regular website. I went to the University of Central Missouri, looked up their flight school. I'm going to go back to BibGuru, put in my website. Yes. Department of Aviation looks good. Is ucmo.edu the actual name? No, the actual name is University of Central Missouri. So I'm going to edit that one and change this to University of Central Missouri. It is a website, so I'm going to leave the URL in there. There was no individual author. I'm going to hit save. Again, if I triple click, I can copy paste that. D is the start of the article for department. So that's going to come here. And now I have my website. Again, I know it looks a little weird. I have been triple clicking to copy into a blue line instead of hitting their copy paste citation. If you hit the copy paste citations that are here or up here, they're going to mess up the formatting that you have already set up on your Google Doc. So I would just recommend doing them one by one, and that way you also don't forget it. Because if you're not signed in, it's not necessarily saving this for the next time. So if you just do it one by one, add them over to your works cited in alphabetical order, everything should look good. So stop by the library if you have more questions. I hope that's a good starting place to review Xello and open websites as part of your future planning search. Thanks.